Welcome to Inspired Truths channel, where God speaks to us through His Word.
The Lord looks down from heaven. Psalm chapter 14, verse 2. The Lord looks down from heaven on all mankind to see if there are any who understand, any who seek God. This verse reminds us that God is always observing us, seeking those who understand and seek Him. It encourages us to pursue a deeper relationship with God, striving to understand His ways and to live according to His will. By seeking God earnestly, we align ourselves with His purpose and open our hearts to His guidance and blessings. This pursuit of understanding and seeking God can bring us closer to Him and enrich our spiritual lives.